Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the Stila Smudge Kajal Eyeliner, and it's not a liquid liner, it's a solid liner. It's ultra pigmented. I'll show you in a second. Ultra pigmented kohl eye color that stays put. It has a proprietary combination of the highest pigments and waxes for intense color payoff. You can apply along the lash line or to the inner eye. For a smoky look, blend along the lash line with a sponge tip. You can also apply it along the waterline, which is that line just inside your eye, right kind of near your eyeball. You can apply it on the bottom of the waterline or the top of the waterline. My mom thinks that's absolutely crazy to do that for beauty. I don't think it's that big of a deal. She thinks it's insane, but to each their own. So a little bit about this product. Stila, as an eyeliner authority, Stila spent 3 years developing this top-notch, high-performance, ultra-pigmented kohl eyeliner, specifically formulated for use on the waterline. This soft, creamy eyeliner glides on effortlessly and creates a smoky or wide-eyed look. Enough playtime to create the perfect look for stay put. And a little bit about the brand. Just a one-liner. At the heart of Stila, we believe that the right makeup can turn even the simplest look into a statement as authentic as your signature. So this weighs 0.3 ounces, the full size. It's not super duper expensive, but it's more than a drugstore liner. I find that the Stila products are really great, especially their eyeshadows. They're really pigmented and very easily blendable. And Stila was actually my first eyeshadow experience, because I didn't actually discover eyeshadow until college, and that's one thing. So it quickly became a favorite. So I absolutely love it, and I love all their products. And I have brown eyes, and with eyeliner they tend to look smaller, so brown is a better alternative for me than black. Black is a little too harsh against the color of my eye, so I go with brown. This one is actually called Espresso. So just a tip for people who have smaller eyes, or eyes that look smaller when you put eyeliner on, is to start at the center of the top of your eyelid, and you can tight line it, which is to get the color in between the eyelashes by really mashing the color into that line, so that it gives your eyelashes a look that it's a little darker at the root of the eyelash. Or you can just put on a thin line and smudge it out. And then you want to also continue on the bottom, just go halfway, a very thin line on the bottom of your eyelash and on the eyeline. This one, actually, I'll show you now. This one, so yeah, it's ultra pigmented. And it's also water resistant and long wearing, and it does not transfer onto contact lenses. Apply along the lash line, inner eye for smoky eye. Blend along the lash line with the sponge tip, which this thing comes with a sponge tip. And it also says to close the tip tightly after you use it. So this is what the product looks like. It's just a normal eyeliner. The great thing about this is that it is a non-sharpening eyeliner. It's just a roll-up. So no messiness with having to sharpen the eyeliner. And then the smudge, I don't know how I did that. Here's the smudge. It's just a nice little bumper. So let me just give you a little sample of what it looks like on my hand. It kind of comes off a little heavy, but you can go thinner. And then you want to smudge it out. You use the, once again, that came off. That's not great. So there we go. To smudge it in so it's not such a harsh line, use this little sponge tip, and you can see it goes from a much darker brown to a little bit of a lighter brown. So all around 5-star product. Absolutely love it. Like I said, Stila is one of the best brands of makeup, and I believe with makeup you actually do most of the time get what you pay for. This would be this would be in that same vein, that you get what you pay for. So don't take my word for it. Like I always say, try it yourself. The Stila Smudge Kajal Eyeliner in espresso, and it's 0.28 grams, so give it a try, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks so much.